What is SEO and why do you need it? Nikki, a talented chef and restaurant owner, embarked on an exciting journey to expand her business online. She started by setting up a blog and posting consistently. However, despite her efforts, she faced challenges in attracting visitors to her blog. Determined not to give up, Nikki discovered the power of SEO, search engine optimization, a term she had never heard before. Let's join her on this adventure as she learns about the incredible potential of SEO or search engine optimization. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization is one of the most effective ways to attract new customers that can help businesses increase their website rankings and visibility in organic search results. SEO can improve the quality and quantity of visitors to Nikki's website through search engines, helping such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo to raise brand awareness, attract local customers, and establish credibility, all without spending a dime. To drive traffic to her website, Nikki should harness the power of both on-page and off-page SEO. Starting with on-page SEO, Nikki places emphasis on optimizing her website's content and technical aspects, such as the HTML source code, schema, and meta tags. She uses tools like Google AdWords, Ahrefs, and Ahrefs to discover popular search terms related to the recipes she intends to publish on her blog. By strategically incorporating these keywords into her recipes, she not only enhances content relevance, but also captivates readers with friendly stories about her childhood memories and culinary inspirations. Nikki goes the extra mile by enriching her content with visually appealing elements like images, videos, and time lapses, enhancing credibility and user engagement. Additionally, she perfects the metadata displayed in search engine results by optimizing meta tags, alt tags, header tags, and more. As a result of her on-page SEO efforts, Nikki witnesses a remarkable surge in website visitors. Feeling accomplished with her website optimization, Nikki now looks toward exploring off-page SEO strategies to further enhance her blog's visibility in search engines. Off-page SEO involves Nikki taking actions outside her site to boost its search engine rankings. By optimizing external factors, like reputable websites endorsing her content through backlinks, social media marketing, guest blogging, linked and unlinked brand mentions, and influencer marketing, Nikki can enhance her site's popularity, relevance, trustworthiness, and authority. Moreover, Nikki understands the significance of promoting her content on various social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, as well as niche platforms like Quora, Reddit, and even PR media sites. These efforts generate stronger social signals to search engines, resulting in higher visibility and relevance for related searches and audiences. Despite her knowledge and implementation of on-page and off-page SEO strategies, Nikki is merely scratching the surface of its vast potential. What do you think she did next? How about taking a quick quiz first, before we dive into her next step? Let's now test your knowledge with a quiz on improving off-page SEO. Leave your answer in the comments below. Which of the following is the best way to improve off-page SEO? 1. Creating multiple web pages with quality content. 2. Obtaining backlinks from relevant and authoritative websites. 3. Acquiring backlinks through link buying. Moving ahead, Nikki decides to enroll in one-on-one SEO training on https://one-on-one-SEOtraining.com with the expertise of an SEO specialist, Bruce Jones. This equips her with comprehensive knowledge of SEO and the right strategies to implement on her website. As a result, she witnesses a substantial increase in website traffic and revenue. Due to her remarkable success and tight schedule, Nikki decides to hire Bruce Jones's SEO team on https://brucejonesSEO.com to continue optimizing her website. Nikki understands that SEO is an ongoing process that requires constant attention, effort, and optimization to ensure the visibility, relevance, and competitiveness of her website in search engine results pages. So remember, SEO is not a one-time task. It's worth investing in ongoing SEO efforts. That's it for our introduction to SEO and its potential for marketers and business owners. If you found this video helpful, we would really appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to JovieSocial, our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon to stay updated on the latest digital marketing technologies and trends.